Getting your first client using AI feels like climbing the highest mountain. It's intimidating, but the moment you reach the top, everything shifts. The hardest part is simply getting that first yes. Once you have it, momentum starts rolling. Here's your game plan. Step 1. Start cheap. Your goal isn't money right now, it's permission. When someone believes in you, doors begin to open. Step 2. Be fast. Deliver sooner than anyone expects. Speed shows commitment and builds trust fast. Step 3. Over-deliver. Give more than promised. Add a small bonus or improve a detail your client didn't ask for. This quietly builds your reputation. Most people get stuck because they wait and overthink. They analyze, plan, and never move. That's where most dreams stall. Instead, take action. Create your gig. Send proposals. Try, even if you feel uncertain. Skill comes with practice, but effort comes from you. Your first client isn't about flawless work. It's about showing up and doing the work quickly and well. Once someone says yes, the next steps get easier. Suddenly, you have proof, confidence, and income. With each win, trust grows. With every project, your abilities sharpen. This is how bold beginnings happen. This is how you get your start. If this resonated with you, share it. Start today. Because your first step is the hardest. And after that, the climb becomes a journey worth taking.